Hello, it's me, your boy. This goes on the wall, and then this is the remote for the toilet. Pretty fancy, huh? And then it just sits on here like this, and you can take it on and off. Pretty cute, but I gotta put this on the cabinet. Okay, well, drill died, so here we are. I have a regular, good old-fashioned screwdriver. And then this just like sits on there like that. Boom. Take it off to replace the battery. It's battery powered. Looks like 1 AAA, and it lights up. Pretty cute. Okay. Dang, dude, take a look at that. The smart foam is just a liquid. They send it to us. They gave us 2 with the toilet. Here it is, HOROW Special Foaming Agent for Smart Toilet. Environment friendly and upgraded, non-toxic and harmless. Cool. This is the top, beautiful. Got a little sticker on it. It says push in this direction and remove the cover. So we're gonna push this way, like so, and then lift up. Okay, this is your lighting and all that, pretty cool. If you need to replace the filter, please pull out the protective cover afterward. So this is the filter. Make sure if you go to replace the filter, you know, every 6 months you have to do that. You just make sure to turn the water off to the toilet before you replace the filter, in addition to unplugging it. Pull up the lever for 5 seconds. That's a flush. I'll take it. Okay, well, there's your manual flush. You just have to take the back panel off. No biggie. The filling port right here. Okay, here we go. I'll either pour the whole thing in, or if it looks full, I'll stop. I don't see any on the floor yet, so I think we did the right thing here. Looks like it takes a full bottle. All right. Now that it's all loaded up with foam shield, let's try out the different functions here. We got just flush. We'll just go with them all. Oh, it will flush with it open. Take a look at that. It like squirts out from a hose over here. See that? Okay, and then there's just a stop button. All right, I'm gonna hit posterior wash, and I'm gonna hope it doesn't spray. Okay, I can't show these or it'll just be spraying everywhere, of course. They only work when you're sitting on it. But it's got a posterior wash. It's got a feminine wash for the front. It's got a pulse wash. It's got hot and cold massage. The dryer also comes out from here and just kind of dries the whole underneath. And we got foam shield. We can try that. There it is. Oh, they had to make it. There you go. So if you're old and you don't like the water splashing on you when you go to the bathroom or whatever, you just hit the foam shield, and then there you go. And then no splash, no cold water, no nothing. No splash. Nice.